Hi, here's stock market end of the day analysis. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Index snapshot. The NSE Nifty 50 index shed 1.11% to end at 14,557.85, while BSE Sensex slipped 1.17% to close at 49,216.52. Both indexes had advanced roughly 1% each earlier in the session amid broad-based gains, as global sentiment was boosted after the US central bank pledged to keep its benchmark overnight interest rate near zero. Sector performance. Nifty FMCG sector up by 0.08%, Nifty Metal sector up by 0.04%, Nifty IT down by 3.09%, Nifty Pharma down by 2.32%, Nifty PSU Bank down by 1.96%. Top 5 F&O gainers and losers. Top 5 F&O gainers are BHEL, ITC, Bajaj Auto, Cummins, and Z Entertainment, where losers are REC, Info Edge, Granules India, HCL, and Bank of Baroda. Some of the volume shockers are ICRA, GFL Limited, Umang Dairy, GPIL, and NDTV. Results on 19 March 2021. There were no results as of 19th. Dividend and bonus stocks. Dividend stocks. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company issued dividend of 4 rupees per share. REC Limited issued 5 rupees per share. Bharat Dynamic Limited issued dividend of 6.7 rupees per share. Rights Limited issued dividend of 4 rupees per share. Engineers India Limited issued dividend of 1.4 rupees per share. IIFL Securities issued dividend of 1 rupees per share. Where bonus stocks are Austral Polytech Limited issued bonus in the ratio 1:3. Infibeam Avenue Limited issued bonus in the ratio 1:1. Global International Caris Limited issued bonus in the ratio 1:4, and Sico Industries Limited issued bonus in the ratio 1:1. Market information. Indian benchmark indexes have now fallen every day so far this week. Rising COVID-19 cases domestically have also weighed on market sentiment. The country reported its highest rising in daily COVID-19 cases in more than 3 months on Thursday. Indian shares slipped into a sell-off on Thursday, closing more than 1% lower for a second straight session on fears for foreign institutional investors shunning emerging markets following the US Federal Reserve's dovish stance. Analysts said that India's central bank may have to delay start of liquidity normalization by 3 months amid the rising cases. In domestic trading, selling was broad-based, with almost all major sectors closing in red. Information technology stocks were the biggest losers, with Nifty IT index closing down 3.09%. Software services provider Infosys Limited fell 3.6% and was top drag to the Nifty 50. Amongst individual stocks, Edelweiss Financial Service Limited, Edelweiss ended 5% lower after reported that India's Ministry of Corporate Affairs ordered an inspection of Edelweiss and units book after whistleblower complaint. Thanks for watching. For subscribing our channel, click the below link.